Activity 7. Subtract 3 by 11 minus 2 by 11. Denominator same, so directly subtraction. 3 minus 2, the denominator never changes, keeps same. 3 minus 2, it becomes 1 by 11. 5 by 17 minus 3 by 17 is equals to, denominator same, write 1, 17. So 5 minus 3, it will be 2, 2 by 17. Similar type C and D, 8 by 24, or else you can reduce it and write it as 1 by 3. E, F also same. Why? Because denominators same, so only you need to subtract the numerators. Question number 2, fill in the boxes. 12 by 3 minus what they have given, blank, by 13. See, keep the denominator same. If you subtract 12 minus 3, you are going to get 9 here. So if you subtract 12 minus 9, you will get 3 by 13. Similarly, 17 by 21 minus 11 by dash, so that you get 6 by 21. Same denominators, so keep denominator 21. C, 5 by 9 minus 4 by 9 is equals to 5 minus 4, if you do 1, and 9 will remain same because denominator never changes and we can't subtract also. Dash by 15 minus 4 by 15. So how much? If you subtract by, you will get the 3. So how much should be the 7? 7 minus 4, it will be 3. Question number 3, subtract 3 by 14 minus 1 by 14. See, different numerator and different denominator. At that time, first find the multiples, convert into like fraction, and then you have to subtract by the answer. 49, 7. Multiples of these two, common multiple is 28 and LCM is 28. Take the above fraction 3 by 14 into dash, so that you get 28 as denominator. In table 14, when do you get 28? 14 twos are. If denominator is 2, the numerator also will be 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 by 28 will be the fraction. 1 by 7 is the next question. So in that, 28 is the LCM. 7, how many are 28? 7. 4s are 28. 4, if you have written above also, you need to write 4. 4 ones are 4. It becomes 4 by 28. Take the answer 6 by 28 and 4 by 28. If you subtract, you will get 2 by 28. 28, denominator remains same. 2 and 28, if you divide or cancel, take table 2. 2, how many are? 2 ones are 2 and 2 14s are. The fraction will be 1 by 14. B, 5 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Different numerator and different denominator. So first take the LCM, then convert into like fraction. So what was the LCM? To find LCM, we have to take denominators. 8 and 4. Find the multiples, then common multiple. Common multiple is 2. The LCM will be 8. 5 by 8 into dash, so that you get 8 as denominator. 8 ones are 8. 1 denominator means 1 numerator, 5. It will be 5 ones are 5. 1 by 4 into dash, so that you get 8 as denominator. 4 twos are 8. See, 4 twos are 8. 2 and 2, if you keep 1 numerator. We got 5 by 8 and 2 by 8. The denominators are same. That means the fractions are now in like fraction. Now you can subtract 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Keep denominator 8 as it is. 5 minus 2, it will be 3. Do similarly. C, D also is in the same manner. E also in the same. First multiples, LCM, convert into like fractions, and then subtract. F also, G and H. Let us go for activity 8. Multiply 3 into 3 by 4. So how will you write? Is equals to 3 into 3 and denominator remains same. So 3 3s are 9. 9 by 4. Convert into mixed fraction. If you divide, you will get the answer 2 1 by 4. Question number 2. 2 by 3 into 7. So write down 2 into 7 by 3. 2 sevens are 14, 14 by 3. Convert into mixed by dividing. Let us take fourth one. 5 into 8 by 9. 5 into 8 by 9. 5 8s are 40 by 9 will be the fraction. Find the mixed fraction by dividing. You will get 4 4 by 9. Do all the sums in the same manner. Wherever working note is necessary, write down. 11 as well as 12. Activity 9. We have word problems. Let us take the question. What was that? Rohit spent 1/3 of his money on food and 1/4 of his money on books. What fraction of money did he spend in all? In all means what you are going to do? Total. To find total, how we are going to do? Rohit spent for food 1/3, for books 1/4. How much he has spent in all means we need to find total. Total means again plus. So what are you going to do? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Denominators are different. Find the multiples, then find common multiple. The LCM will be 12. Convert into like fraction with that answer, that is 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12. It will be 7 by 12. Therefore, Rohit spent 7 by 12 of the money. Second question is, Manu bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Sonal bought 1 by 2 meter of ribbon. Who bought longer ribbon and by how much? So what are you going to do? We have to find the difference among Manu and Sonal. So difference means subtraction. Manu bought ribbon 2 by 5 and Sonal bought 1 by 2 meter. So write down the fraction, different numerator and different denominator. To find the difference, you have to first convert into multiples. That is, by taking denominator, write down the multiple of table 5 as well as table 2. Get the common multiple as well as LCM. Then take that answer and find like fractions you convert. Later on you need to subtract and see. 1 by 10 is the fraction. Therefore, Sonal bought 1 by 10 meter of ribbon longer than Manu. Question number 3. Jyoti completed her maths homework in 1 by 6 hour and science homework by 3 by 10 hour. How much time did she take in all to complete? In all means it is addition. Write down the sentence Jyoti's homework. First she has completed maths, that is by 1 by 6 hour, then by science 3 by 10. Both are different numerator and different denominator. To find that thing, first you write down multiples using denominator of 6 and 10. Find the common multiple and then LCM is 30. Convert into like fraction. Then with that answer you have to do addition. That is 5 by 30 plus 9 by 30. If you do, it will be 14 by 30. Choose table 2 and reduce into simplest form. It becomes 7 by 10. Therefore, Jyoti takes 7 by 15 hours to complete her total homework. The fourth one is, I bought 10 packets of snacks. Each packet weighed 3 by 5 kg. What was the total weight of packets of snacks? Total means again it is what multiplication we are going to do here. Snacks. Okay, number of packets, how many? I bought 10. Weight of one packet will be 3 by 5 kg. Total weight of packets of snacks. See, we have to find for many. That means it is multiplication. 10 into 3 by 5. So 10 will get multiplied by 3. 10 into 3 by 5. It will be 30 by 5. So reduce it into simplest. So it becomes 6 kg. Total weight of packets of snacks is 6 kg.